Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the Apple iPhone 11. It's the 64GB variant in the colour white, so it's the sort of white and silver colour of the iPhone 11. If you've already seen on my channel, I've already unboxed the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the midnight green colour, so if you haven't already seen that one, make sure you go and check it out. I will also be doing a comparison between the 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 11, so stay tuned for that video as well. The front of the box, just the picture of the iPhone, Apple logo, iPhone on either side, so that's just the specific normal thing. So 64GB, includes the iPhone 11, the earpods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter. So for this one they didn't introduce the fast charging brick, which they did in the 11 Pro. So it's just the normal 5-watt charger for this one. So now let me just undo the seal. And I'm just going to undo the box. So this year around the phone's presented kind of facing backwards to you. And I must say that this white colour is actually really nice. It does look very clean and sort of classy. It's very nice looking. Now I'm just going to take the handset out, hopefully without dropping it, and look around the device. So it's silver on the sides, black on the front. Still got the lightning down the bottom. I'll put it to one side really quickly. And then in the box, I won't go into it because on every unboxing it's the exact same. So you get your Apple stickers, the warranty information and a quick start guide in here. You also get the SIM eject tool, which is basically to take the SIM card out of the current phone and put it in the new one. So that's the same as every unboxing that I do. So that's in there. Then we get the, because we're in the UK, the 3-point wall adapter. You get the lightning earpods, and you also get the lightning to USB, so the standard one on that. So that is literally everything for the unboxing. It was a really quick one. Just kind of looking at the handset, I'll just really quickly compare it to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So as you can see, the glossy iPhone 11 with the matte insert there, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro is matte with the glossy insert there, so it's kind of reversed on the two. Alright, so that's everything for this video. It was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 64GB in the colour white. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I will be doing some more videos on the comparison between this iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so stay tuned to the channel for that video, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one.